Promoting tolerance, a pathway to unity. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an incredibly important and relevant topic: promoting tolerance. In our diverse world, learning to embrace and respect the differences among us is not just a virtue but a necessity. So, let's explore what it means to promote tolerance and why it's essential for personal growth and societal harmony. Stay tuned as we unravel the layers of understanding and empathy. Tolerance is the ability to accept and respect the differences in opinions, practices, or beliefs of others, even when they diverge from our own. It's about keeping an open mind and recognizing that the world's diversity is what makes it beautiful and vibrant. Promoting tolerance, therefore, involves actions and attitudes that foster this acceptance and respect among individuals and communities. Promoting tolerance is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it helps in reducing conflicts and misunderstandings that arise from fear and ignorance. By understanding and accepting differences, we can create a more peaceful and cohesive society. Secondly, tolerance promotes inclusivity and ensures that everyone, regardless of their background, feels valued and respected. Lastly, it enriches our lives by exposing us to diverse perspectives and ideas, fostering personal growth and creativity. 1. Educate yourself and others. Knowledge is the key to understanding. Learn about different cultures, religions, and lifestyles to broaden your perspective. 2. Practice empathy. Try to put yourself in others' shoes to understand their feelings and viewpoints. Empathy builds bridges and breaks down walls. 3. Speak out against intolerance. Whenever you witness acts of intolerance or discrimination, speak out. Silence often implies consent. 4. Celebrate diversity. Embrace and celebrate the differences among people. Organize and participate in cultural exchange activities. 5. Practice active listening. Listen to understand, not to respond. Hearing others' stories and experiences can change perceptions and foster tolerance. Promoting tolerance is not just an act of kindness. It's a commitment to building a world where everyone feels respected and valued for who they are. It's about moving beyond mere acceptance to appreciation and celebration of diversity. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of tolerance and inspired you to play your part in promoting it. Remember, the journey to a more tolerant world begins with each one of us. Thank you for watching, and let's make a difference together.